Warren Buffett's warning, the rising threat of inflation and how to protect your investments. Have you been keeping an eye on the current state of the economy? If so, you may have heard of the recent comments made by renowned investor Warren Buffett about the rising threat of inflation. His observations have sparked concerns among investors and economists alike, suggesting that the economy may be on the verge of a major shift. In this video, we will delve deeper into Buffett's comments and what they could mean for the future of the economy. We'll also explore some potential strategies to safeguard your investments from the potential risk of inflation. So buckle up and join us as we uncover the latest developments in the economy, finance, and investing. Buffett is known for his unique perspective on the economy and investing, and his recent comments about inflation are causing some concern among investors. According to Buffett, he is seeing signs of inflation beginning to increase, with substantial increases in prices being seen and accepted. He mentions that the cost of home building and steel are going up every day, and that the wage stuff follows. In his recent interview, Buffett notes that the economy is red hot, and that his companies were not expecting it to continue. He adds that the economy is almost in a buying frenzy, with people having money in their pockets and paying higher prices for goods. While it's a terrible situation for some people, others are adapting and thriving, such as takeout and delivery services for restaurants. He states that to the extent that we borrow money from the rest of the world, it would be very human on the part of politicians in the future to decide to pay back the rest of the world in dollars that are worth far less than the dollars they borrowed. The United States is building up a lot of external debt, and politicians are using taxpayers' money to stimulate business, but they haven't raised taxes. The people who are really paying for the things we're doing now will probably be the people who are buying fixed dollar investments from the US government, who will find the purchasing power when they go to redeem these investments to be far less. Buffett's comments about inflation are alarming, as it could mean that the economy is overheating and that a recession may be on the horizon. However, he also notes that the situation is interesting, and he reads comments every day about how the taxpayers are paying for things. He notes that the Chinese are ultimately paying the most in terms of the loss of purchasing power they will have with their holdings of US government bonds many years down the road. So what does all of this mean for investors? If inflation continues to rise, it could mean that your investments will not hold their value as well. However, there are ways to protect yourself from inflation, such as investing in commodities like gold or silver, which tend to hold their value better during times of inflation. Another way to protect yourself from inflation is to invest in companies that are more immune to the effects of inflation. Companies that have pricing power can pass on the higher costs to their customers tend to do well during inflationary periods. These companies are usually in industries like utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's recent comments about inflation are a warning signs that investors should take seriously. While it's difficult to predict the future, it's important to be prepared for all possible outcomes. Now that you know more about the potential risk and opportunities in the market, it's time to take action. Don't let inflation catch you off guard. Consider diversifying your portfolio with commodities like gold or silver, or investing in companies that have pricing power and can weather the storm. And as always, do your research and consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We love hearing from our viewers. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights about the economy, finance, and investing. See you in the next video.